Hi, and welcome to Terial Arts with Terry. I'm Terry McFeely, creator of Terial Magic, the spray-on fabric stabilizer for superior sewing and crafting. I'm just back from Lake Tahoe, where I was at a retreat called Artistic Alchemy. There were 4 teachers: Jane Haworth, Sandra Bruce, Heidi Emmett, and Mary Boalt. They each taught extraordinary classes, and the one I took was with Jane Haworth, where I took an 8.5 by 11 picture of my dog Bodhi, and I will be walking you through the steps of what I did. I'm still not finished, but the other 3 classes I went around and took photos of the teachers and some of the students' work that they were doing, and I will show those towards the end. So sit back and watch the steps of me recreating my dog Bodhi. Thanks and enjoy.